Hi guys, hi guys, I am Vikas sir. Today we are going to read a poem, The Revel. This is from class 7 from NCERT book. So, in this poem we will learn about the Revel. Okay, so from the name The Revel, we should understand first what is who is a Revel first. Okay, so a Revel is one who always disagrees with you or your friends or any other persons, any other people. They are just opposite with everyone. What they think are right to them, what others think are always wrong to them. Okay, so the rebel is one who always thinks something different, who just thinks the opposite of others. This is all about the poem Revel. Let's start the poem. I am reading the poem first. Listen to me carefully. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel greets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So the poet here is DJ Enright. Okay, he has composed such a beautiful poem, The Rebel. So let us understand from the text. So the first uh, line says, when everybody has short hair. Okay, when everybody else except the rebel. Here the poem is rebel, the rebel. So rebel does just the opposite what everyone does, what most of the people do. The rebel does just the opposite. He wants to make some difference. Okay, so when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. मतलब जब हर कोई छोटी छोटी चोटी रखना चाहता है, रिवेल बड़ा बड़ा रखना चाहता है. ही लेट्स हिज हेयर ग्रो लॉन्ग, longer than anyone else when everybody has short hair. Okay, because he is rebel, he wants to do the opposite what everybody does. Everybody has the short hair, so the rebel will let his hair grow long. Okay, next, when everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So as you know that the rebel does the difference, make the difference. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short, just the opposite, because everybody else has the long hair, so the rebel has to cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. While in the class, when everybody is talking, is participating in the classroom transactions during the lesson, The rebel does not say a word because he is a rebel. She has to keep quiet because everyone else is talking. They are participating, so the rebel has to keep quiet. He has to stay silent. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. So what to say about that? When nobody talks during the lesson, when everyone is silent, the rebel has to create a disturbance because he doesn't like to be one among all. He wants to be something different from others. Okay, so he created disturbance in the lesson. During the lesson, he created some disturbance. He creates some disturbance because he is the rebel. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. So uniform, uniform is a costume that a particular department, suppose you are students, you must have uniform, you are wearing uniforms. The policeman has uniform. Okay, so when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Whatever he wants to wear, whatever the rebel wants to put on, he wears that dress, that fantastic clothes maybe. So everybody is wearing a uniform, so the rebel has to deny to refuse to wear the or put on the uniform. So he dresses himself in fantastic clothes when everybody wears a uniform. Okay, so when everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So next, when the rebel dresses soberly, when everybody else wears a fantastic cloth. Okay, when everybody wears fantastic clothes, whatever the people like to wear, they dress them up, but the rebel dress them with gentle look, okay, in a good look. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. So when everybody loves dogs, in the company of dog lovers, when the rebel is among the dog lovers, definitely everyone else will be discussing about the dogs. Yes or no? Because they love dogs. So among them, among the dog lovers, the rebel must do something different, something unique. He has to say against the dogs or something else, but not about the dogs. So he has to express his preference about cats. The rebel expresses a preference for cats because everyone else were the dog lovers. So among the company, in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses his preference, his choice, his liking about the cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So when among the cat lovers, when the rebel is among the cat lovers, in the company of cat lovers, the rebel has to go against the cats. He has to oppose the words about cats. So he has to tell something else, not about the cats. So the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So the rebel now expresses his preference, his likings about the dogs, because he doesn't like cats among the cat lovers, because he is the rebel and he has to do something unique, something different, just the opposite what others are thinking, what others are doing. The rebel has to do something different, just the opposite of them. So in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. Okay, next, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is praising the sun during the winter season, everybody must praise the sun. In the presence of sun, everyone will be comfortable from the harsh conditions of winter, because of cold. Everybody will be suffering from that. So they would be praising the presence of sun. We need, everybody needs sun to get rid from the cold, to protect themselves from the harsh cold. Okay. So during that time, when everybody will be praising the sun, what the rebel will do? The rebel has to say something against the sun. So he doesn't like the sun. Instead, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. So when everybody will welcome the sun, the rebel welcomes the rain. He remarks, he opines, he gives his views in support of rain. Okay. So when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So when everybody is greeting the rain, definitely in the harsh condition of or in the harsh season, the summer, during the summer season, everybody needs some shower. Because of so much heat, we are suffering. So we will be greeting the rain. Or for the good crop, a farmer, a cultivator needs rain. Yes or no? So everybody is greeting the rain, but the rebel, what to do? The rebel has to regret the absence of sun, because he has to do something different. Because he is the rebel, he has to oppose the presence of rain, because everyone else is greeting the rain. So how can the rebel greet, or how can the rebel welcome the rain? So he has to go against the rain. So he regrets the absence of sun. The rebel must be thinking that it may sun may come soon. Yes or no? Okay. Next. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody goes to the meeting, so there in the meeting, there may have, the meeting may have many people, many members will be present there. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel does not like to go to the meeting, because everybody else were going. So the rebel has to stay at home and read a book or do something else. He doesn't like to go to the meeting when everybody else is going to the meeting. When everybody else are present in the meeting, the rebel has to stay at home. He will give his annoyance, deniance against the presence in the meeting. So he stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So when everybody stays at home, everybody doesn't like to go to the meeting, to participate in the meeting. The rebel has to do something different. He will never stay at home, because he is the rebel. He always takes the lead to go against the mass, against the gathering. When everybody will be one at one opinion, the rebel must oppose that decision. So now here everybody stays at home, so the rebel will never stay at home. He will go to the meeting. The rebel goes to the meeting. Okay. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. So that's the opposite. The rebel just do the opposite. When everybody says yes please, if something is requested to you, for example, you are in a feast and the server, one who serves food, the catering boy is requesting you to provide some curry. If everybody accept that and says yes please, the rebel that time will not accept the offer. He will say no thank you. Okay. He has to attract the attention of everyone. He is the leader. He is independent. He wants to be independent. He does not want to be one among others. So he says no thank you when others says yes please. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is just the opposite. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Okay. Look at the last two lines. What he says, it is very good that we have rebels. What do you think? Should we have rebels among us? The poet says, the poet thinks that it is very good that we have rebels. Yes, we have rebels. Rebel is one who opposes the mass, one who does the opposite, something different. We should have the rebels, the poet says, poet thinks. Why? Because when everybody is tolerating the wrong, tolerating in illegal things, any crime, the rebel raises his voice. When everybody is silent against any wrongdoing, the rebel comes forward to oppose that person or oppose the wrong things. So we should have rebels among us. It is very good that we should have the rebels. Even if when others will be not opposing the wrongdoing, the rebel will come forward, will come ahead, the rebel will come ahead to take the lead first. The rebel may inspire others to do the good one. So we should have the rebels. It is good. The poet is right here that it is good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. We may not think that the rebel is a good one, or we may not think that we should be the rebel, because we have fear. If we don't like to be the rebel, that means we are getting fear. We are frightened to take the lead. So we should be brave and be rebel. Okay, I hope this topic is understood to you, is well understood to you. Okay, you can ask me with comments if you have any doubt. Subscribe the channel and get updated about the